Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and disable mouse click sound window 10 or 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, you just need simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for control panel. After opening your control panel, you need to go with the sound section. Just click on sound, and under sound now again, go with the sound section. And here you need to scroll down and click on select. Once you click on select now, you need to go with the drop down, and under the drop down now, you need to go with an option of Windows Navigation ST. And after that, you need to go with apply and OK. And it will be enabled now. If you want to disable it, then you can again go with your control panel again, go with the sound section. Under sound, you need to go with sound again, and here you need to go with select. And under the sound, you need to go with drop down, and you need to select none, and after that again, go with apply and OK. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.